Hello team, today we're going to be making a custom video thumbnail without showing your face that will translate into higher conversions in YouTube. We will be designing the thumbnail for this particular video as an example. Things to keep in mind. Instead of showing your face, you will show your logo. 70% of YouTube users use the platform through their smartphones. For this reason, it is important to ensure that the text and images in the thumbnails can be visible on cell phones, not just the computer. Simple brings better results. Today, 90% of thumbnails have many details trying to outstand one from the other. The problem is that since all of them follow this theme, none of them end up standing out at all. For this reason, the simpler the thumbnail, the more they end up grabbing the attention of the user, since they ironically end up standing out from the bunch. Let's get started. This is the thumbnail we're going to be making. As you can see, there's no face, we're using our logo, it's easy to do, it takes less than 2 minutes. Open canva.com. If you scroll down, here you can see our thumbnail and our logo. Click on Create a Design. Type and click YouTube Thumbnail. Please proceed as shown in the video. Select black background. Now copy and paste your logo. Click Allow and center it where you desire. Click on Elements and select a square. Adjust the square as you desire. If needed, you can select additional shapes, rotate them, scale them, and place them however you want. Once you're happy, you can click on text, select the text that you like, and write whatever you want your thumbnail to say. You can also select images by selecting elements, typing whatever you want, and selecting any image you want. Keep doing this until you're happy with the results. There's an infinite amount of text, style, colors, format. You get the point. You can also modify text by selecting effects. Don't forget, you can also change the shape colors. Include as much details as you want. And here are the results. Once you're happy, click download. Let's open up the file and see what we have. I hope you guys enjoyed this little trick that will definitely increase your click-through rate and overall grow your YouTube channel even faster. I will be uploading cool short videos like this one with useful and never before seen tips and tricks that will save you time and at the same time grow your YouTube channel even faster. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications. See you on the next video.